Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the unlike problem on Instagram. If you're experiencing this issue where your likes are not registering or suddenly disappearing, just follow the steps I'm about to show you. As you can see, I'm currently on Instagram, and this is how the homepage looks. Now, let's talk about the issue. This problem usually occurs when you like a post, but then suddenly it appears as unliked without you taking any action. There are several possible reasons behind this. Step 1. Check your internet connection. One common cause is a poor or unstable internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a strong and reliable network. If your internet is weak, Instagram may not register your actions properly, such as liking or unliking posts. Step 2. Update the Instagram app. If your internet is working fine and the problem still occurs, the next step is to update the Instagram app. Exit Instagram. Open the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone. Tap on the search bar, type Instagram, and open the app page. If you see an update button instead of open, that means your app is not up to date. Tap Update and wait for it to finish installing. Once the update is complete, tap Open to return to Instagram. After updating, check if the unlike issue is resolved. In most cases, simply updating the app or refreshing your internet connection will fix the problem. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.